Let us formulate the height of the watt governor. So for this, let us consider m is the mass of the ball, it is in kg. W is the weight of the ball, that is m into g. T, tension in the arm, here tension in the arm is T. Omega, angular velocity. R is the radius of path of rotation from the ball to the spindle axis, this distance is R. And H is the height of this governor, we have to find out this H. So on this ball, what are the forces are acting? Fc, centrifugal force acting outward. W, weight of the ball. T is the tension of the on this arm. So how to find out this height of the governor? Let us see. So this is the case, here tension. So it is very easy to find out this height. Only we have to take the moment into consideration. So taking moment about O, if I'll find out the moment about O, then H can be determined. So if we will find moment about this point, the forces is passing, that is nothing but this tension on this arm. So due to this T, moment will be 0. So this effect is neglected. Then another forces are acting here, Fc and W. So let us take for clockwise movement positive sign and for anti-clockwise movement negative sign. You can take for this case negative and for this case positive, no matter. So here we are taking for clockwise positive sign, for anti-clockwise negative sign. Now this Fc, about this point, this Fc will move clockwise direction. This is the Fc. Take this Fc nearer to this point, then this Fc will move clockwise in direction. So for clockwise we are taking positive sign. So plus Fc into what is the perpendicular distance? This is the H. This is the line of action Fc, and about this point perpendicular distance is H. So into H. We will not write this plus sign. Next, another force W. Take this W nearer to this point. This is the W. It will move anti-clockwise direction about that point O. So for anti-clockwise direction, negative sign. So minus W into what is the perpendicular distance? This is the line of action of W. This is the perpendicular distance R. There are no more forces, so is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this equation, W into R. For Fc, we know this is m omega square R into H. W is nothing but m into G into R. R cancel out, m cancels out. So what is H? H is nothing but G by omega square. Again we know omega is nothing but 2 pi n by 60. So put this value here. So H will be G by 2 pi n by 60 whole square. So this is 9.81. This is the value of G by, so 60 square will move up. So 60 square, here 2 square is 4, pi square into n square. So by calculating this, approximately you will get 895 divided by n square. So this is the expression of height of governor.